inconsistencies in the sampling. Agreed. Let's run the moisture test again. Moisture is slightly high.
Welcome to our period pads factory. Today, I'll take you behind the scenes to see how we transform raw materials into safe product.
Make sure the sap sacks are secured before they hit the main line.
Roger that. Checking the straps now.
Make sure the flour sacks are stacked evenly on the belt. Got it. The spices are next, right after this pallet of oil.
The fibers are separating well, but I'm seeing some inconsistencies in the sap texture.
Agreed. Let's run the moisture test again on this batch.
The gauge reading is stable. Material looks perfect, consistent texture throughout.
We just logged the latest shipment of pulp fiber.
Check the expiration on the fabric rolls.
Already on it. Everything looks good in the system.
The calibration is complete. We can proceed with the batch.
Confirmed. SAP levels are within tolerance.
The moisture is slightly high on this batch, B.
Yes, we need to adjust the dryer settings immediately.
Preparing high-quality fluff pulp is essential for creating period pads that are both highly absorbent and comfortable, meeting the strictest safety and hygiene standards.
The SAP blend looks consistent.
Initiating the absorbency test now. The texture analysis should follow.
The absorbency levels look consistent with the previous batch.
And the texture evaluation passed as well.
We're at 65. I'm initiating the adjustment sequence.
Approved. Monitor the stability once it hits the set point.
We have an uneven thickness here on the left side.
Yes,
Yes, I see the compression issue. I'll pull this one for reprocessing.
See this point here? Let's verify the thickness. It reads 1.5.
Ah, perfect alignment. The surface is completely smooth.
The thickness is within tolerance.
Confirmed. No wrinkles detected.
The back sheet is the essential waterproof barrier that prevents leaks, providing confidence and comfort to our users throughout the day.
The backsheet adhesion looks perfect here.
Agreed. Waterproof integrity is high standard. We can approve this lot.
We need to bring the humidity down 2 points. Adjusting the intake now is stabilizing. The bonding machine is stable now.
All right, monitor the next cycle carefully.
The adhesive pressure is spiking again.
I see it. Adjusting the flow rate now. That should stabilize the bonding.
The layer adhesion is failing on this edge.
Agreed. Rework bin.
Humidity is fluctuating. I'm bringing it down to the optimal range. Confirmed. Air quality remains stable. The flow rate on line 3 is slightly low. Adjusting the pressure now. Looks stable.
The width is slightly off on this one.
Yes, it's outside the tolerance. We need to reject it.
The adhesive strength is holding up well on this batch.
Confirmed. The caliper reading is spot on too.
The wing attachment looks precise on this run.
Yes, the calibration seems to be holding steady.
Check the adhesion right here. It looks weak.
Yes, I see the defect. Removing this one now.
Flexibility is good on this batch. Adhesion holds up well. Embossing looks consistent too.
I'm finding an irregularity on the edge of this one.
Yes, that fails the smoothness test. Remove it.
The embossing looks good on this batch.
Yes, and the caliper reading is within tolerance.
This package here, look at the corner.
Yes, the integrity is breached. Removing it now.
All right, next pallet coming through.
Make sure the straps are tight on that one.
I need the sign-off sheet for truck 7.
By scanning the label, you can trace the ethical journey of your product and see the significant environmental savings achieved.
Thank you for joining us on this journey inside our period pad factory. We hope you enjoyed seeing how fresh ingredients and